Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Holden Captiva 7 SX, stock reference number 5520. The shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 7th month 2012. It has a Z22 D1, 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. Z22 D1, 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight. Left guard has one small dent, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand side step, sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Left front door has one small dent, left rear door has two small dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Unfortunately, nothing has survived on the rear end. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has two small dents. Right side steps sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.